In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, ethical hacking has emerged as a crucial line of defense against malicious actors. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the need for skilled professionals who can anticipate and counter these threats has never been greater. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to identify and address vulnerabilities in computer systems before they can be exploited by cyber criminals. These professionals play a vital role in safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining the integrity of digital infrastructures. And at the heart of their arsenal lies Kali Linux, a powerful and versatile operating system specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. This specialized OS is built to provide a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to the diverse needs of cybersecurity experts. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution that comes pre-installed with a vast collection of tools and utilities for various cybersecurity tasks, including network scanning, vulnerability analysis, wireless attacks, and more. These tools are meticulously curated to ensure that ethical hackers have everything they need at their fingertips. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive documentation make it an ideal platform for both beginners and experienced security professionals alike. The user-friendly design ensures that even those new to ethical hacking can quickly get up to speed, while the extensive documentation provides in-depth guidance for more advanced users. Whether you're a security enthusiast looking to explore the world of ethical hacking or a seasoned professional seeking to enhance your skills, Kali Linux provides an unparalleled environment for all your cybersecurity needs. Its versatility allows users to tackle a wide range of security challenges, from simple network scans to complex penetration tests. Kali Linux's popularity stems from its open-source nature, active community support, and regular updates. The open-source model ensures that the software remains transparent and trustworthy, while the active community continuously contributes to its improvement. Being open source means that the source code of Kali Linux is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. This openness fosters a collaborative environment where users can share their insights and innovations, driving the evolution of the platform. This transparency fosters trust and collaboration among users, ensuring that the operating system remains secure and reliable. The collective effort of the community helps in identifying and patching vulnerabilities swiftly, maintaining the robustness of the system. Additionally, the vibrant Kali Linux community provides invaluable support through forums, online tutorials, and documentation, making it easier for users of all levels to get started and troubleshoot any issues they may encounter. This support network is a cornerstone of Kali Linux experience, offering guidance and solutions to common problems. With its comprehensive suite of tools, user-friendly interface, and strong community support, Kali Linux has become a go-to operating system for ethical hackers worldwide. Its reputation for reliability and effectiveness makes it a trusted choice for cybersecurity professionals. Its versatility and ease of use empowers security professionals to proactively identify and address vulnerabilities, making the digital world a safer place for everyone. By equipping ethical hackers with the right tools and resources, Kali Linux plays a pivotal role in the ongoing battle against cyber threats. In today's interconnected world, where data breaches and cyber attacks have become all too common, ethical hacking has emerged as an indispensable component of a robust cybersecurity strategy. It is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for organizations of all sizes and across all industries. But what exactly is ethical hacking, and why is it so important? Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, involves legally and ethically simulating real-world cyber attacks to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and applications. Unlike their malicious counterparts, ethical hackers operate with the permission and cooperation of system owners, using their skills to strengthen security postures and protect sensitive data. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure our information remains secure. The importance of ethical hacking cannot be overstated. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, so too do the methods employed by cybercriminals. New vulnerabilities are discovered every day, and without ethical hackers, these weaknesses could be exploited with devastating consequences. By proactively identifying and addressing vulnerabilities, Ethical hackers help organizations stay one step ahead of malicious actors, mitigating the risk of data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. Their work is not just about finding flaws, but also about educating and training staff to recognize and respond to potential threats. Furthermore, ethical hacking plays a crucial role in ensuring compliance with industry regulations and standards. Many industries, such as healthcare, finance, and government, are subject to strict data security regulations, and ethical hacking helps organizations demonstrate compliance with these regulations by identifying and addressing potential vulnerabilities. In sectors like healthcare, the protection of patient data is paramount. Ethical hackers work diligently to ensure that medical records are secure from unauthorized access. Similarly, in the finance sector, safeguarding financial data is critical to maintaining trust and stability. Ethical hacking is not just about finding and fixing vulnerabilities. It's about creating a culture of security in organizations. This culture helps in building resilience against potential cyber threats and ensures that everyone, from top executives to entry-level employees, understands their role in maintaining cybersecurity. In conclusion, ethical hacking is not just a technical skill, but a critical business function that is essential for safeguarding sensitive data, maintaining customer trust, and ensuring the long-term viability of organizations in the digital age. As we continue to build automatic systems, the role of ethical hackers will only become more vital. As a constantly evolving operating system, Kali Linux undergoes regular updates and improvements to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity. These updates are not just about keeping up with the latest trends, but also about setting new standards in the industry. The 2025 version of Kali Linux builds upon the success of its predecessors, introducing a host of new features and enhancements designed to empower ethical hackers with even more powerful tools and a seamless user experience. This version is a testament to the dedication of the developers who continuously strive to make Kali Linux the go-to platform for cybersecurity professionals. One of the most notable additions to Kali Linux 2025 is the integration of advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms into various penetration testing tools. These technologies are revolutionizing the way ethical hackers approach security challenges. These AI and ML-powered tools automate tedious tasks, detect patterns and anomalies in vast datasets, and provide intelligent insights to help ethical hackers identify and exploit vulnerabilities more efficiently. By leveraging AI, ethical hackers can now focus on more complex and critical aspects of security, leaving the mundane tasks to the machines. Another significant improvement in Kali Linux 2025 is the enhanced cloud security testing capabilities. As organizations increasingly migrate to the cloud, the need for robust cloud security measures has never been more critical. With cloud computing becoming increasingly prevalent, it's crucial for ethical hackers to have access to tools and techniques specifically designed for assessing the security of cloud environments. Kali Linux 2025 addresses this need by offering a comprehensive suite of cloud security testing tools. Kali Linux 2025 includes a comprehensive suite of cloud security testing tools that enable ethical hackers to identify misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and compliance issues in cloud deployments. These tools are designed to provide a thorough assessment of cloud environments, ensuring that they are secure and compliant with industry standards. In addition to these major updates, Kali Linux 2025 also boasts a range of smaller but significant improvements, such as updated toolset, improved performance, and an enhanced user interface. These enhancements may seem minor, but they collectively contribute to a more efficient and user-friendly experience. The latest versions of popular penetration testing tools ensure you have access to the most up-to-date features and exploits. Staying current with the latest tools is essential for ethical hackers to effectively combat emerging threats. Optimizations and refinements under the hood result in a faster and more responsive operating system, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. These performance improvements mean that you can work more efficiently, without being bogged down by system lag or slow response times. A more intuitive and user-friendly interface makes it easier to navigate the operating system and access the tools you need. This focus on usability ensures that even those new to Kali Linux can quickly become proficient in using its powerful features. With its cutting-edge features, enhanced performance, and commitment to providing ethical hackers with the best possible tools and resources, Kali Linux 2025 solidifies its position as the ultimate operating system for penetration testing and cybersecurity professionals worldwide. This version is not just an update, it's a leap forward in the realm of cybersecurity, setting new benchmarks for what an operating system can achieve.